You have to accept the fact that you could die. They wanted me to scream, and it's about, if I'm going to die, I ain't going to die screaming. Not the way you want me to. But you can't train pain. The electrocution was literally, my hands were tied to the front legs of the chair, and I couldn't have had a hood on. But when you feel the paddles, you know what's coming, and it's the most intense pain you could ever experience. And it's not once; it's like 3 times. And that knife wound in my leg where they stabbed me in the leg, I couldn't feel that anymore. I was just dribbling. But that is the most dangerous time, because it only takes someone to come in and pull a trigger and you're dead.